If you're looking to make money online, then you are at the right place. But before I continue, hit the like button and subscribe. There are various ways to make money online, and the opportunities continue to evolve. Here are 5 popular methods by which you can make money online. Number 1, freelancing. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients looking for services such as writing, graphic design, programming, marketing, and more. Create a profile showcasing your skills and bid on relevant projects. Number 2, online content creation. Start a blog. Share your expertise or passion on a blog and monetize it through ads, sponsored content, or affiliate marketing. YouTube. Yes, create videos on topics you are knowledgeable about or passionate about. Earn money through ad revenue, sponsorship, and affiliate marketing. Number 3, e-commerce. With e-commerce, all you have to do is sell products whilst using platforms like eBay, Amazon, and others. You can sell handmade or unique products, or even products that you make on your own. All you have to do is set up your own shop on platforms like Shopify. You can also do drop shipping. Set up an online store without handling inventory. When a product is sold, purchase it from a third party and have it shipped directly to the customer. Number 4, online courses and consulting. Create and sell online courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. If you have expertise in a particular field, consider offering consulting services. Number 5, which happens to be the last one, is affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, all you have to do is promote a product and make money from it. You sign up for affiliate programs and earn a commission on each sale made through your unique affiliate link. Remember, success in making money online often requires time, effort, and consistency. Thank you, and subscribe to our channel for more.